Yes. Hey!
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Indian River County in East Central Florida until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fellsmere, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sebastian, Vero Beach, Fellsmere, Indian River Shores and Vero Beach South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement. Rapid development of...
Nice.